Welcome back to Madhuban's Kitchen. As promised, we have come back with Chole Bhature Part 2. In this video, we are going to show you how to make chole in a restaurant style. Let us start with ingredients required for seasoning. We would be requiring 2 tablespoons of ghee, hing half teaspoon, green chilies 4 numbers, kasuri methi 2 teaspoons. Now let us see ingredients required for gravy. We need cinnamon, cloves and big ilachi 3 to 4 numbers each, onions 3 to 4 numbers of small to medium size, tomato 4 to 5 numbers of small to medium size, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons, chaat masala 2 tablespoons, dhania powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 2 teaspoons, oil 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, chana 250 grams. Ensure to soak chana at least for 12 hours. And now our secret ingredient, tea powder 2 teaspoons. Let's now see the cooking process. Add onion paste to hot oil and start this chole preparation in a pressure cooker vessel so that it's easy for you to continue pressure cooking chana. Then take a separate kadai. Roast these spices, which is cinnamon, clove and big ilachi, separately in ghee. You can take 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee for this. Once they are roasted, add them to this onion paste. The first secret of restaurant style cooking is to allow onion paste to get roasted like this. You'll have to fry it to reach to this color. I would have fried this onion paste for almost 10 minutes. Once it starts getting stuck to the pressure cooker bottom, then add some water to it and allow it to get further cooked. After 5 minutes of such cooking of onion paste, add tomato puree which you have done out of the tomatoes you have taken. Add ginger garlic paste to this tomato puree mix and allow it to get cooked nicely till oil gets separated from the sides. Once oil gets separated like this, add all dry powder mix, which is chana masala, dhania powder, chili powder, turmeric powder to this. Mix it well. Once this masalas get cooked nicely for 5 minutes, add salt as per your requirement. Mix it well. Then add chana which is soaked for 12 hours. Mix it well. Now comes our secret ingredient, which is tea decoction. Boil 1 cup of water, add 3 teaspoons of tea powder to it. Allow it to boil well for 2 minutes. Then add this tea decoction to your chole. Then you will be adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda powder. This combination of tea decoction and baking powder is going to create a chemical reaction which will make chana cook nicely, and the end product is going to look and taste like your restaurant style chole. Allow it to get pressure cooked for 8 to 10 whistles. Once it gets cooled down, open the lid and check whether the chana is cooked nicely or not. I given 10 whistles and the chana is cooked quite nicely. Now dry roast kasuri methi separately, and once you get a nice aroma of kasuri methi, add this to a cooked chole. Now we have come to our final step. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee, add hing to it, mix it well, then add Cut green chilies as shown in this image. Allow green chilies to get nicely roasted. Then add this to your chole. This is going to give you a nice aroma and a restaurant kind of fragrance and also taste to your chole. That's all. Your super delicious chole is all set to be served with bhature, the recipe which I have told already in my part 1 video of chole bhature. So friends, what are you waiting for? Make yummy chole bhature over this weekend and give me your feedback on how do you find this recipe. And also, to get more interesting recipes like this from Madhuban's Kitchen, please like, subscribe, share Madhuban's Kitchen YouTube channel with your friends. And also don't forget to click bell icon. Bye bye.